Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick demo of how to sign into Tinkercad, also how to set it up so that your shapes are not auto-aligning to the nearest millimeter, since we know that we're doing to the nearest thousandth of a millimeter, and I'm also going to show you how to turn it in Google Classroom. The first thing you're going to do is sign in, not join now, sign in, and you will see some blue little words down below that says sign in using social providers. You're going to go ahead and do that and log in with your Google account. Alrighty, once you get into Tinkercad, you should be at your dashboard and you will click Create New Design. Once you have your editor opened, you're going to see your blank work plane and you want to turn off the snap grid. Like I said, we're working in very, very tiny measurements, thousandths of millimeters, so you want to turn that off. All right, and then you just go right ahead, dragging your shapes over. Another tip, if you double click on any of these squares, oopsie, double click your measurements, you can click on these measurements and actually type in your measurements. So that makes life a little bit easier, or you can just do the old style click and drag to make things the dimensions that you want. Finally, when you get, oopsie, sorry, make sure you drag and drop that extra work plane to the top. When you get everything looking the way you want it to be, which mine does not right now, you're going to go to export. So you have two options. You can either export everything in the design, or you could have done what the video suggested, click and drag everything, group them so they become one shape, and then export. You'll just see it's everything in the design because there's only one shape. And you want to make sure you export it as an STL file. That's going to put it in your downloads, and you'll go right back to Google Classroom. You will find our assignment, and once you open it, you will use the little paper clip to attach it, and you'll attach the STL file and mark it as done. Good luck.